Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Tutorial. Today in this video, let's learn about how to unhide messages on OnlyFans. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for OnlyFans. So here it is. Click on this first website over here and we get into onlyfans.com. So now we need to get into chats icon over here in the bottom, and here we can see our chat. Now at first, to hide it, you need to simply click on this message or chat, and over here on the top right we can see three dots. So let's tap on this, and here we can see hide chat option. If you tap on this, the chat will finally be hidden, and if you hide it already, you won't be able to see it here. And to find it, you do not have option to unhide over here. What you can do is simply search for the person or the individual you want to search for, and we need to get into it to open it. And if you send any message here, again it will be on hidden. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.